Okay, guys, I'd like to show you one of my favorite animal songs. Goes like this. It says, "This is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a cat say? Cat say meow, 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 meow." Right, 1 second. Let me turn my guitar down because I need to ask for your help today. Will you help me today? Oh, thank you. So, I should tell you what help I need first, really, shouldn't I? I want you to do the signs of all the animals that we're singing about. So the first one is a cat. Can you do that? Like the cat's whiskers. Very good. Our second animal is a... Does anybody know that sign? Pig. Well done. Our third animal is going to be cows. And what do cows say, Guy? Moo, moo. I mean, guys. I know Guy is here as well, but I meant all of you. Moo, moo. Sorry, I'm being silly today, sorry. And I think we'll have a horse, of course. And horses say clip, clop, clippity clop, or no, 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 no. Okay, right. Let's just try those. Oh, better turn my guitar up, right? Oh, this is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a cat say? Show me your cat signs. Meow. Cat say meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Do you remember the next animal we were doing? Pig, well done. This is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a pig say? Pig say oink, 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 oink. Or next animal, cows. Well done, everybody. This is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a cow say? Cows say moo, 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 moo. This is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a horse say? They say clip, clop, clippity clop, or nay, 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 nay. You want to do some more animals? But I haven't shown you any more signs. Right. Does anybody know what that is? Sometimes you just do that. I bet you can guess what it is. You know, if you're out and you're walking your dog and you go, oh, but that's really tricky. So you can do like that, or you can just go, that's dog. Like you're telling your dog to come over. And can anybody guess what this might be? Or you can do it like that. If you do it like that, like you get on the slide, it looks like an elephant's trunk, doesn't it? Right, okay, so dog, elephant. Turn the guitar back up. And this is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does a dog say? Dog say, woof, 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 woof. Brilliant, guys. Last one. This is the animal song we sing every day. Can you tell me what does an elephant say? Can you do an elephant noise? They say Whew. I'm out of breath now. That was brilliant. Thank you, guys.